So, after 13 years of education, classrooms, school uniform and routine, we're able to ask ourselves, what's next?
We're going to be facing some of life's toughest questions, such as, what am I going to wear every day without school uniform? And how am I going to make a difference in the world around me?
And everything in between!
We'll also have to face some challenges and situations we've never had to face before.
Like flooding! See?
You used my milk again!
You always leave the toilet seat up!
Finances.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Annabelle, you finished with my car yet? Like, not really?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
So we've set a date on May the 22nd to help find that balance between dreaming big but doing so with a clear plan to achieve it.
Since the future looks different for every one of us, you will be tailoring your day to suit your interests and the skills that you want to develop.
There'll be a number of workshops that you can choose from.
See you there!